This time we will learn about Multiplot in ZWCAD. One of the most favorite feature in ZWCAD is Multiplot. This feature allow you to plot multiple page at once. You can see in the workspace have 6 page to understand how Multiplot work in ZWCAD. Type Multiplot command. There are 3 systems or ways to do Multiplot in ZWCAD. First, Multiplot base on layer or layer frame style. Second, Multiplot base on block or block frame style. Third, Multiplot base on scatter line or scatter line frame style. When you choose the layer frame style, you can choose layer that contain paper space with object that we want to plot in it. You can choose using layer name button and then select the layer name. The layer name will appear inside the box beside the layer name button. If you choose block frame style, you can choose the block name button to choose the block as drawing frame or paper space. To do this, you need to create block that contain paper space in it first. Other option, you can choose scatter line frame style to select paper space you want to plot. You need to select more than once to plot more than one page. You can find how many page you plot beside select drawing menu. Okay, now we will try to add object into plot area using layer. Select the layer frame style, then select layer using layer name button. Choose layer named plot layer, then click select batch drawing. You will find the printed area to be 0, it is because there is nothing on this layer. Now select layer named 0, then select batch drawing. You will find number 6 beside the select drawing menu. This mean, 6 page has discovered and ready to print. To make sure where printed area added to Multiplot, click the highlight button to view the batch printed page. Rectangle contain object are discovered with red color and printing number order has been added. You can change the number order, you can choose the select order. Next, we will try to use block frame style. After you choose the block frame style, click the block name to add paper space to be printed. But first, you need to create block that consist of print area or paper space. For example, select rectangle and copy it. Create block using add block command. Name the block using plot area. Copy block to drawing area you want to plot. Now open Multiplot menu with Multiplot command. Select block frame style and select block we created recently. Click OK. Then select object you want to plot using select batch drawings button. Block as frame will automatically selected. And select drawing will show 3 pages. Click highlight to make sure the drawing area, you can see the order number has been added. Now we will try to move block to another object. Open Multiplot, select block frame style and select batch drawings. Click highlight button, different order has been added. Last, select scatter line frame style. Now select object you want to plot using batch drawings button, include block with empty area. You can see select drawing have 7 number indicate 7 pages. Click preview to view plot page. You will find the empty pages because the block has no object inside. Now view the next page, you will see the first page of the drawings and go on. Now we will try to plot. Open Multiplot, select layer frame style, make sure layer 0 selected, select batch drawings and click highlight. After you see the order number, click plot. Plotting process will run. Multiplot succeeded.
Subscribe, like and share if this video useful. Thanks for watching.